How to install fonts in CapCut. To do that, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. Now the first thing that we want to do is head over to Google Chrome, and we will head over to this website known as the font. And once we are here, we'll download the font that we want to install in CapCut. For example, let's say we want to download this font, so I'm gonna go hit the download button, and once I hit the download button, my downloading will be started. And once the downloading is complete, what we will do is, and now here I have extracted that file that we just downloaded, and we can go right click on this file and hit the install button. Once we do that, it will start installing this font on your computer. Similarly, install both of these fonts, and once it's installed, what we can do is we'll head over to CapCut, and inside CapCut what we will do is just add a text. Now that the text is added, head over to the font, and once you click on here, it will open up this kind of interface on your screen. And if you look closely, you will see system fonts right here, and once we click on that, all of those system fonts will appear here. And to search the font that we just downloaded, let me just go and find that font. Now as you guys can see, I have searched that font name right here, and it appears just right here under the system font section. I can go and use this font now. Now in case that font doesn't show here, you need to actually go and restart CapCut, and it will just show right here. Well, that's how you can go and import a custom font in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.